Come on, guys. Let's get some fun. They were just standing there for the whole time. Hey guys, it's me, Jumpy, and today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Now, in this game, I played it before. It's like different minigames, basically, like epic minigames, or like with a button that you have to press in order to actually get the minigames. And like, I have a blow dryer, so I could just troll if I wanted to. Stay clear of the moving platforms. What's going on? What the? They're floating. Nah, I know it's like not rendered in yet. Yeah, so like basically, see, this is like from epic minigames. I think you know this minigame. So yeah, it is pretty cool. It's pretty good made. Pretty good made. I'm gonna blow this up. Whee! Wait, did I just blow her into the ground? No, I didn't. Okay, good. Yeah. Ew. Yeah, I may seem like a menace in this video. You know what I'm saying? Becoming a menace, destroying everything. Okay, let's press the button. Survive. Ah! Oh, come on! What was that? What was that, man? How are we meant to survive that? Well, so who's actually in the game? Because like we're all dead. Like, look at this. Wee! Oh, never mind. That blew in the wrong direction. Okay. I'm okay. Whee! Look at that dude. That dude just like did like 5 backflips or front flip. I couldn't even tell. It was that good. Okay, let's press this button. Oh. Oh, it would have been the same death. Survive. Ah! So I know this one. You just have to keep on going forward. What? I was too fast. Dang. I didn't know you could actually get too fast. Oh. Oh, they survived. I blew someone. They got flung, but they still survived. Oh, and then they died. Oh well. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Survive the volcano. A giant volcano. Okay. Ooh, a coin. Don't mind if I do. Now, guys, subscribe. We're just not gonna question that. We're just gonna forget about that. Anyway, subscribe or else I'll shoot. Yay, you subscribe! Nah, you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. I would really appreciate it though. And maybe some views, you know? So why don't you share it if you want to? But yeah, this volcano, it's too easy. We're just gonna ignore that time I died once. Ooh, yeah, here's one of the new minigames. So look, so the spikes that pop out. Okay. Whee! Oh, I killed someone. Eee. Ooh, I killed someone. Yeah. In-game. I didn't actually kill someone in real life. I would never do that. Never in my life. No. Life is running. Come on, life, let's go. We got this, life. Come on, life. We could no, life, don't die. Yay. We're gonna survive. Yay, life. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. No, I'll save you. Oh, okay, let's go. No. Keep on jumping. Yay, we did it. Let's go. Watch out. Oh, it's a bomb. I'll blow it away, guys. That's the button presser. Who's that? There are bacon girls like everywhere. I gotta survive. Okay, here we go. Let's go in between these 4 so that if one of them falls, yeah, see, like that. I'm still surviving. I'm still standing. Yeah. You know that song? It's like a throwback, you know? I think. I don't know. But we're still making it past. See, look. I'm still alive. Still alive. Oh, stay close. Okay, we have to stay inside the ball. Not in that one. So like there's these obstacles that block you. It's like that one minigame where There's lava and I don't know. From Epic Minigames. Oh! Oh, you thought I was gonna blow you away now, huh? How is he still alive? Ow! I would have died. No, 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 no! I'm gonna die! No, I died! Dang it! I didn't know I had the blow dryer equipped. We're in space! Whoa! This is awesome! Wait, is that the island right there? Oh, I can't reach, can I? Oh, I'm gonna make someone else reach her. Go! At least do something. Come on, guys. Let's get some fun. They were just standing there for the whole time. Jump over the laser. Oh, this thing. Okay. What? Aw. Girl's lagging? Take that. The girl's freaking, like, glitching through. She deserves to die. There we go. Hey, I'm the button presser. Let's go. What the? Where are we? Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's this. Yeah, you have to time your jumps. Okay, let's go on here. Then onto here. Let's go onto here. And then boom. Let's go. Can I make that? Yeah, I can. Okay, this is like the hardest part of the time. Let's go. Let me just make it. I'm gonna be really cruel. Wait, they already died anyway. Yeah, I have a new screen recorder. I'm using Mobazine. Mobazine. I don't know if it's good yet. I haven't recorded a full successful video with it once. Look at it go! Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna blow this girl off. Oh, never mind. She made it with me. Now there's only 2 winners. Oh, okay, yeah. There was literally only 2 winners. Should I blow you off? You wanna blow off? Nope. Did she just try pushing me off? Take this. What the? Okay. We're here. Let's press this button. Whoa! What's going on? Wait, what is this? Wait, just all in the one spot. Oh, there's a black. Come on. Oh no! I glitched out of the map. I glitched out of the map because I slipped on the banana peel. Are you kidding me? No. Are you kidding? I want to blow people off now because they did that. Actually, I'm holding everyone out. That's a good idea. Oh, come on. That's just not fair. Okay, what's it now? Oh, we're dinos. Look at me. I'm a dinosaur. Where are we? We're in a graveyard. What the? It's a witch. Hello. Ooh, it's trick or treat. Nom nom nom. So now we just got a free bag of candy. Catch oipo. What? Catch oipo? How do we do that? Oh, we have to jump on here. No, y'all idiots. I'm so confused. What was happening there? I know there's an obvious thing. Nothing's rendering. It's like way too dark. Jump over the lasers. Okay, I see you. So that one. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. It's getting rougher. I like this music! Oh no. Ah! I didn't even see those coming! I'm gonna die! I died. Oh my god, that's difficult. Watch out! Foxy call me has a sword. Oh, you have a sword. Take that. No! He has a laser gun! He killed me with a laser gun. No, he's actually good at the game. Don't worry, I'll blow him from up here. Not in that weird way. No, he can't get flung. I can't fling him. You're mad? Yeah. Okay. I think I should switch servers just because this guy's actually good. No, you know what? Let's just continue. Okay. We have to be careful because they're mines. Whoa, we're gonna lose. We're gonna die. That was easy. Should I spare this guy? Yeah, I'm gonna spare this guy. Should I spare this girl though? Pony lover AV. I'll spare you. Ooh! My god. My bro exploded. But I'm gonna spare you. Ooh, this is cool. Oh yeah, this is also from Epic Minigames. Underground something, I forgot. Going underground or something. Yeah, you have to avoid the pipes or the smoke. This time it says spikes. See what I mean? It's like Epic Minigames. Okay, let's go. We're doing it. Oh yeah. We winning this. Okay, we could go into here now. Okay, this one's gonna be the hardest. Okay. Oh, there's a spinner. Will we make it or will we not? Come on, come on. Yay, we did it. Let's go. Be the first one to find and press the button. Where is the button? We gotta look for the button. Where could this button be? Could be anywhere. Oh, did we win or did we lose? I don't know. Whoa, Jill J has a bomb. Oh no. Oh, he exploded. On your marks. Get set. 3, 2, 1, go. No, 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 no. No, I'm still slow. I'm still slow.
He's British!
That.
He's British!
Hey. Oh. I just helped it. I'm a hero. Let's go. And I made it. Yay. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. This is Don't Press the Button 4. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye!